Hey, what's up guy? Welcome to my video tutorial. In today, I gonna show you how you can get free unlimited coins on GalateaTV app without paying anything. And no need any investment. Everything is free and forever free. So now let's go together. If you are finding about GalateaTV free coin tutorial, this tutorial has full information from the first step to final step in order to get free coins on GalateaTV. You'll see I have almost nothing coins on my account. But please wait, you'll see the magic. All you need to do, just follow my videos step by step. Firstly, just come out to Safari or Google Chrome, then type 99code.vip. At here, just scroll down or type your favorite app name to search. Enter your username and select the amount of resources that you want, then click Generate. Please wait for the system to checking and connecting your account to the server. This is a very important step. Do not leave the page or lock your phone screen until the system completed. Very important step. In this step, you need to prove that you're a real human by activate button. Follow the final step video tutorial first. We was put video there. After you completed the final step, just close the browser, then reopen your app or game again to see your result. Sometimes it's take a few hours or over a day to get this result. Congratulations! After you completed the final step, a few hours later, your coins is automatically adding to your account. Have fun guy, good luck, and I see you in the next video. Bye.